is just a hypothetical question. I'm not actually replacing the San Marino, but if I were, for whatever reason, what I'm asking you guys, just I'm not curious, what fan do you think I would like to replace this fan if I was replacing it? Again, I'm not replacing it. I really like this fan. But if I had to, and I needed to pick another fan, what fan would you pick? Keep in mind, I do like the brushed nickel and black fan finish combination. You can suggest vintage fans, but I probably won't go with any of those, because I don't know. I don't think I can get any vintage fans in my area. Um, so yeah, just a hypothetical. I was just wondering.